iPhones are notoriously difficult to break into, and it's nearly impossible for anyone to get in without your permission. If you need to turn on your iPhone but don't have a passcode, or turn on a disabled iPhone, the only way to unlock it is to do a factory reset. Next we will introduce 3 methods by which you can reset your iPhone without using a passcode. Method number 1. Unlock iPhone by using Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is an excellent iOS password removal that assists to bypass screen lock from iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch in a secure manner. The ease of operation and the professionality of technology is what differs Joyoshare from others in this field. Now let me show you how to factory reset iPhone without password easily with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. After downloading and installing Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker from the official website, launch it and connect the locked iPhone to the PC. Select the Unlock iOS screen option and click the Start button to continue. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. If you cannot put your iPhone into DFU mode, you can try recovery mode. After you did it, click Next button to proceed. Click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPhone. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete. Method number 2. Unlock iPhone by using iTunes. Launch iTunes on your computer, and connect your computer to your iPhone using a USB cable. Select the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes interface. Click on Summary later and press Restore iPhone. To confirm your choice, click the Restore button again. iTunes will wipe your device data and restore your device to factory settings. After restarting your phone, you just need to reset your iPhone. Method number 3. Unlock iPhone by using iCloud. Enter in and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature. Select the iPhone to unlock. At last, click Erase iPhone button to make the iPhone come back to the factory settings.